In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how you can transfer ownership of Google Sheets. So let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. I'm on my browser, Chrome browser. So first step, just open your browser and log in with your Gmail account. After you log in, just come to this option. Go ahead to Google Drive. You can see the Google Drive application here, and or you can simply search for Google Drive after login. Okay, search for Google Drive login. Okay, so click on first link. This is Google Drive app. Okay, so simply you can go for this icon and check if the you sign in with the right email ID. If you have multiple emails ID in on same browser. Okay, so here let me open Google Sheet. So you can search for Google Sheet here. You have to enter the name of Google Sheet, so it will be appear here, or you can simply go to the type and go to the spreadsheet, and you can see the all Google Sheet, all your file of Google Sheet will be see here. Now just open it. Okay, now we need to go in file, go to the share option, go to the share with the others. Sorry, it is rename. Okay, it is already named. Go to the file, go to the share, go to the share with others. Okay, skip it. Okay, so here you need to insert the email ID of this person, of this person to whom you want to share, or you share, or to whom you want to transfer this file ownership. Okay, and make it is editor. Okay, and then send it. Now after you send, now again go to the file, go to the share, go to the share with others, and you can find that email ID where you had sent the invitation for editor. So it is already editor. Now you need to make it transfer ownership. Just click on this down arrow. Now go to the transfer ownership. Now this person get the invitations. Once he accept the invitation, the this person will be you know convert in own transfer, convert in the owner, and you will be editor. Okay, so this is you means my email ID. I will be, once he accept this, I will be editor and this person will be owner. Okay, but this person has to accept your invitation as a ownership, and then wait for acceptance. After once the acceptance done, your ownership will be transferred. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.